before and after, take a look. Now, let's apply this stunning effect to the image. Step 1. Go to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. Zoom in on the image, then adjust the highlight slider left and right to fine-tune the exposure. Camera Raw Filter is one of the most important tools in color correction, and the best way to master it is by practicing on different images. So, there's no need to spend hours watching tutorials, just try it yourself. Step 2. In the Vibrance section, enhance the colors to make them more vivid. If you notice any color noise, go to the Detail section and adjust the color noise reduction slider as needed. See the difference? Step 3. Now, let's refine the background. Click on Mask 1 in the Masking section to select the background. Increase the contrast to add more depth to the image. Final step. Duplicate the layer, change its blending mode to overlay, then go to Filter and apply High Pass to sharpen the details. The practice image link is available in the description. Also, check out the channel for tutorials on different retouching techniques and professional hair background removal methods.
Ideas, graphics,